How to change currency on booking.com application. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can change currency on booking.com application. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video. First of all, launch the booking.com application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to your account icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your account page, scroll down a bit and under Preferences, tap on Device Preferences. Once you are here at the top, there is a Device Settings. Just below the language option, there is Currency. Tap on this drop down here. Scroll to the available options here and then select the currency that you want to set in your booking.com. After that, your selected currency has been set in your booking.com. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.